Good, good aloha morning to my wonderful people out there. I just want to say, it's beautiful morning, aloha. What's your favorite movies? What's your favorite shows, sitcoms? Hope you love my mixes. Give me a thumbs up. You love all the stuff that's happening. Hit the subscription, and hit the bell. What's your favorite hobbies? What's your favorite thing you love to do? You love bracelets? Let me know. And all of that good stuff. I'm gonna swim with my dad. This could be awesome. And a little quality time with my sister, Lena. This could be pretty well. But the part of the day will be like a game day or something like that. So yeah, so everything's gonna be cool. I love you, and as always, and tuning in to all the good stuff in this wonderful day. Like musical stuff. Oh yeah, last night was perfect. So today's could be very, very lovely and special. Musicality. And we know you love any genre as well. That gotta happen. Yep. So I hope you enjoy your morning right now. I hope you love chicken. I hope you love chocolate milk. Anything, put it in the comments. I love you, and I'll catch you then. Peace, everybody.